Here we go, guys. The back end's all nice and built. I just got to put the third member in. We're waiting for it to dry. I keep saying it. This Roadster Shop chassis is freaking killer. That shit looks so fucking badass. I know I try to keep a PG channel, but when you got something this badass, you gotta say it. It's freaking badass. Check that shit out. The thing that sucks is it gets dusty as hell in here. We are assembling the rear today. This is the other axle. Just gotta find the splines. There it goes. This is gonna mess me up here. Okay, I gotta scrape that off. You know, I should have had him powder coat that to inside. Oh well. Too late now. Okay. So the third member's in, which looks beautiful. And I just got the axles in. Now we can start assembling the brakes and stuff. Now, figure out which is the driver's side, which is the passenger side. Has a D on it. Let's see if I can figure out. That one does too. Alright, that's not helping me at all. Neither is this. Okay. That side. What's this one? Oh. All right, guys. So we got all our diff is built. Third member's in. Waiting for our APR studs to get it come in so I can finish bolting that up. Brake calipers are on. I put them on. I got ahead of myself. All the rotors are on. It's all beautiful fit. It was all cool except for I just had one small issue with some bolts that hold. It's like a spring clip for the emergency brake. The bolts were just a hair too long, and they would hit the emergency brake casing, the metal of it, and it wouldn't allow it to move. So I had to grind them and shorten, make the bolt just a hair bit short. It was only like a 1/16 of an inch, but it was enough to make a difference to where it wouldn't move around, the brakes wouldn't move around, so you could slide the rotor on. So everything's all set up. Looks great. Very happy. Very, very happy. It's starting to really come together. Now all I gotta do is adjust all my, I gotta make all my adjustments and stuff on this, and we'll see where we're at here. I'm positive my pinion angle is looking at the sky right now, so we're gonna change that a little bit. But what I'd like to do is get it on the floor. Once I get it on the floor, we'll play around with the pinion angle and get that adjusted, and then I could torque everything down and start on the fuel lines, the fuel tank, exhaust system. Once the motor is all done, the exhaust system. So we still got a ways to go. I am taking my time. I'm in no rush. So it is looking really good. Let me show you guys a closer version of it. Looks really good. Came out really nice. I'm very happy. Very, very happy. Let me climb over this chassis. That's it right there. There's my third members there. It's all pretty. That light's probably blinding the camera. The only thing that I wasn't a big fan of is the gap here. I think it should have like a dust shield, you know, completed dust shield, but it doesn't have it. So we'll figure something out for it, maybe make something. But other than that, it looks great. It really does. It looks bitchin', bitchin', bitchin'.